welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a long Q&A. Well, not really long, but I put it out there that I'm about to film. And so what are some of the questions that you guys have for me concerning, you know, when you're applying makeup, the problems you have? So you sent out a bunch of questions and I'm here to answer them for you. So I came up with, you know, my bare face so that whatever it is that you asked, I can demonstrate for you guys. This video, I'm going to tackle two things. I'm going to do it in two parts. This first part, I'm going to tackle eyebrows and eyeshadows. And then for the next part, I'm going to tackle skin, foundation and powder and, you know, blush and whatnot. You get it? So that it doesn't become a very, very lengthy video, okay? And no one also gets confused. Start off, I'm going to moisturize my lips because they are very, very dry. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. I have a question here, and one guy actually asked me, this is the first question, he's like, why do you do makeup in the first place? And first of all, we do makeup because we want to enhance our look. We want to feel extra confident. It's not that we don't feel confident, so we want to feel extra confident. That's why we do put on makeup. So my guy, I hope I've answered your question for you. And the next question is, well, he asked the same question. He was like, do you guys really makeup? Do you guys realize makeup messes up your natural face? Well, so this is how my face is. And yes, when I started out, I was using some, you know, not so good products. So it didn't really, you know, I broke out. But the rest is not eating well, just sleeping in your makeup, you know, a whole bunch of things. If you don't apply the best makeup on your face and you don't go through all the necessary skincare routine that you're supposed to go through, yes, you're going to have, you know, a spoiled face or, you know, pimple face, breakouts and a whole bunch, which is going to leave you with scarring as I have here. But I'm treating it now. As of now, my spots are fading thanks to this hydrating rose water from Lux Artistry and also this blemish control from FC, and they are all made in Ghana products. Someone asked, can I use eyebrows that you can get from Kaneshi? And then if you're in Ghana here, you know Kaneshi, because Kaneshi is a very big market, as well as we have Seiko market, we have Makola, we have all that, you know, they are all like market areas that you can go and get pencils from there. So example, the person is talking about this kind of pencil, Miss Loretta kind of pencil. She's asking if you can use this, and yes, you can use this. This is very affordable. I think it's like 1 CD, but I mostly use these LA Girl gel liners because they are very good. I use both the black and the brown. One other question too is, my eyebrows are always uneven. Please, is there a hack? Throw more light on it. And another question is, how do you draw the perfect eyebrow? First off, all you need to do is just brush up your hairs. And one good trick is you can outline your eyebrows before you shape them. What you can do in order to even out your eyebrows. So you hold your pencil this way, you bring it to here, your nostril on top here, and then you mark here. So that should be the beginning of your eyebrows. And then you do the same thing, and then in between your pupil, you mark again. That's where your arc is supposed to be. And then the last one is here. So that one, you put the pencil right here through the corner of your eyes, and then you mark. So that's where your eyebrow is supposed to end. Can you guys see? So this is where my eyebrows begin. This is where the arc is supposed to be, and this is where it's supposed to end. So immediately I'm done. All I need to do is connect them. You have to do is fill them in. How do I draw my eyebrow and use the brush to shape it? So in this case, the person wants to know how to draw the brows and also how to conceal the brows. Okay, to have a concealer brush, you can use something like this. So you're going to use a concealer to outline your brows, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Just starting from the middle, okay, and I'm following how I drew out my eyebrows. So whatever that's left, and then you use it at the beginning of the brows just to fade it out, and you are done with your eyebrows. How to get dark colors, that is matte colors, to pop as much as the bright ones, that is shimmer colors. You can prep your eyelids using a concealer, and since this is just, you know, beginner friendly, you know, a tutorial, the concealer you have, if you don't have a concealer, use your foundation. Okay, so you first of all apply the concealer onto your eyelids. Okay, yes, apply this much onto your eyelid because you want your matte shadows to pop, so apply it onto your eyelids, after which you blend it out. So using my Bethlehem Beauty blender. The next step is to set you so that the concealer doesn't crease. And when I say crease, it means that the more you open your eyelids and close, open and close, you end up seeing some lines. As you can see, it's starting to crease. Okay, so you have to set it. I'm going to set it using my Maybelline powder. Matte eyeshadows look like powder, and then shimmer eyeshadows, they have a little bit of glitter in it, like how my nails are looking. This red shade here. Okay, I'm going to apply it all over my lid. I sometimes use a red lip pencil, okay, or depending on the eyeshadow that you want, you can use a pencil that has that same color. I apply it all over my lid first. So I'm going to use a flat brush to apply that. So I'm going to pick the same shade. Because I prepped this eye before applying the eyeshadow on it, it's really standing out more than this eye. So if you should do this trick, you are good to go. So I'm going to be using the gel liner on this part of my eye, and I'm going to be using my liquid liner, which is the Black Radiance liquid liner, on this eye. And I know majority of you don't like using the liquid liners because they're very, very watery. But what you can do to help out is you can use a brush, a liner brush like this. It's angled. You can use that to help, you know, draw out your liner. When you're applying your liner, please look down. Don't do this. Look down, okay? So, and then you have to start from where your eye ends. And when you're looking down, it gives you, you know, a whole base for you to work with. You get it? Okay? Then afterwards, you join it. You join it to your lid. Then you fill it in. Your liner is supposed to be, you know, at the same corner with your eyebrow. Okay, you get it? So your eyebrow is not supposed to be too long past your liner, and then your liner is not supposed to be too long past your, you know, eyebrow. Now moving on to this, I'm going to use the gel liner. How to apply eyelashes without, you know, the glue showing. Get the black glue. No, when you apply it onto your eyes, it really blends in with your eyeliner and doesn't really show. And I'm using these lashes from Eye Hair. Y'all know Eye Hair got me. Do your best to own a tweezer, okay? The tweezers help grab the eyelashes, and you can use that to apply the glue onto the eyelashes in this manner. Allow the glue to become a little bit tacky, then you pop it onto your eyelashes. So now it looks a bit black, we can now apply it. Fix the eyelashes, you look down and you place them right on top of your own lashes. So sometimes after this, I go in with my mascara. Okay, so someone is also asking that with eyeshadows, do you have to start with lighter colors or darker colors, you know, whichever. If you are a fair person, you can start with this brown shade, these shades. You can start with all of them, like in your crease and whatnot. But if you are darker, you need something to really pop out well. I'm going to use this color right here to apply in my crease area. And then always start with your crease. Always start with your crease. As I said, your crease is where, you know, the line is, or where your eyeball goes in the socket. Always start there, okay? And then so after which you keep building up. So now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow here. You just keep building up. You keep building it up, and the more you keep building, the more you keep blending. Okay, so you blend, you build and blend, you build and blend. After which, whatever color you want to put on your eyelid, be it a glitter look, be it a shimmer look, whatever you want to put on your eyelid, you go ahead and place it on your eyelid. So I'm going to place this color right here on my eyelid. It goes with my nails, so I'm going to place it, and I'm picking it with this is the finished look. I've showed you guys 2 ways on how to achieve, you know, how to draw your liners, how to apply eyeshadow, how to apply your mascara, how a little bit even, you know, they don't have to be identical twins, they have to be sisters or something. I hope this one was very, very much helpful. Don't forget, now I'll see you guys with the part 2 of the series. That's I'm going to talk about foundation and skin, oily skin, dry skin, and you know, everything skin. So stay tuned, and bye.